American Express gift card on eBay. In this video, you are going to learn how to use American Express gift card on eBay. So let's get started. The first step is go to eBay website or your mobile application. In their website, search for the item you want to buy. As you can see, I'm scrolling objects on their website. Then select the item you want to purchase. For example, I'm buying this product, then I will go to the checkout section by scrolling down. In scrolling down, I will tap on the option that says buy it now. After buying it now, the screen like this will appear. Here I have to log in into my account. I can add the email and password, or I can continue with Facebook, Google, or Apple account. After logging into your account, you have to enter these details: the address, city, state, postal code, and mobile number. Then I will check out. In the payment option, I will add American Express gift card. That's all. That's how you will be able to use American Express gift card on eBay.